Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Sir Chemistry. Beta, this is another question for 4 marks, same, our surface chemistry part. Question is given, how are colloids are classified on the basis of physical state of the component. But physical state of component means solid to solid, solid to liquid, solid to gas. Same way, liquid to solid, liquid to liquid, liquid to gas. Same way, gas to solid, gas to liquid. But gas to gas is not the colloidal soul. Is it clear? Means total how many? 9 types are there. So we can say on the basis of physical state of dp and dm, beta, on the basis of physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Beta, please you don't write this dp and dm in exam hall or in exam paper, because the examiner won't give the marks for you. You should write completely dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So on the basis of physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, the colloidal soles are of following type. Colloidal soul is of following types. Sir, what is the colloidal soul is of following type means? I will write here, beta. Sir, first case mein I will write here as a dispersed phase. Beta, second one I am writing here as a dispersion medium. Beta, based on dispersed phase, dispersion medium, I am going to get the type of the colloids. And based on this type of colloid, beta, we will write the examples. At least two examples we can write. So dispersed phase, dispersion medium, types of the colloids, and the examples are there. Right, beta? Types of the colloids and example. The first one I will tell you, beta. Solid. Second one solid. See here. Solid and solid. First part over. Then beta, liquid, then again liquid, and again liquid. Second part over. Then gas, and again beta one more is a gas. Is it clear? Now here solid, liquid, gas. Beta, here liquid is there. Again solid, then liquid, then gas. See here, solid to solid, solid to liquid, solid to gas, liquid to solid, liquid to liquid, liquid to gas. Beta, gas to solid and gas to liquid, because gas to gas is not the colloidal soul. What is the type of this type of the colloidal soul, beta, which is made up of solid to solid? It will be called as a solid soul. Beta, solid to liquid type of the soul will be called as a what? Only soul. You can check your academy, Telugu Academy also. They give solid soul and another one is only soul. Solid to gas, the type will be called as a what? Aerosol. Right, beta? Solid soul, soul and aerosol. Liquid to solid, right? Examples will be called as a gel. Type of the colloid is called as a gel. But a liquid to liquid is, I am writing there, solid soul, then aerosol, then gel. But a liquid to liquid is called as a emulsion. Means what is emulsion? Do you know? Dispersed phase is in the liquid state, dispersion medium also in the liquid state are called as a emulsion. But a liquid to gas, it will be called as a what? Same, aerosol. Sir, aerosol 2 times I got. Haan beta, solid to gas and liquid to gas is called as a aerosol. A-E-R-O-S-O-L, aerosol. Beta, gas to solid called as a what? Solid soul. And last one, beta, gas to liquid, it will be called as a foam. So please, beta, this is the point we have to remember. What is the type of the colloidal soul? Solid to solid called as a what? Solid soul. Solid to liquid called as a soul. Solid to gas called as a aerosol. Liquid to solid beta called as a gel. liquid to liquid called as a emulsion, liquid to gas called as a aerosol, and gas to solid called as a solid sol, and gas to liquid called as a foam. You can see still we got two types. Again one more solid sol. What is that beta? Solid to solid. One more gas to solid also called as a solid sol. So solid sol to aerosol to. Solid sol means solid to solid. Another one beta gas to solid. Aerosol solid to gas, and another case beta liquid to gas. Means if the dispersion medium is a gas aerosol, here also gas is a aerosol. But if the dispersion medium is a solid sol, dispersion medium is a solid sol. But in this case when it is solid, but if it is a dispersed phase is a liquid, dispersion medium is a solid, then it will be called as a gel. How many type of the colloids we got beta? 8 type of the colloid we got here. Then go with the example here. Example of solid sol, example of sol, example of aerosol, then gel, then emulsion, aerosol, then solid sol and foam. At least two examples we have to mention here for all beta. The first one example which one we are going to discuss, that will be called as a gemstones, because solid to solid is there, right? Or we can say sometimes some colored glasses also there. Gemstones or colored glasses is an example of solid sol. Solid to liquid is a sol na beta. We can say the example is a paints, or we can say cell fluids is an example of that one. Solid gas gives rise to aerosol. Example we can say beta aerosol, the best example is smoke. You know beta, when you are burning the garbage, the black fumes is coming, we are seeing the smoke. Actually black fumes means it is a carbon particle present in the atmospheric air. Carbon particle is a solid present in the atmospheric air is a gas. The solid in the gas is an example of aerosol, and aerosol the best example what we took beta, smoke. Instead of smoke we can say dust is also the example of aerosol. Then gel beta. Example of gel means we can say cheese, butter, jelly. Cheese, butter, jelly is an example of gel, right? So gel means what? It is made up of what? Liquid with a solid gives rise to gel. And gel the best example what we wrote? We wrote the cheese, butter, jelly. Another one, emulsion. We can say beta emulsion में milk is an example of emulsion. Best example beta. Milk means liquid fat dissolved in the water called as a emulsion. So milk is a emulsion. Milk is a emulsion. One more example if you want to say, we can say beta hair cream is also the example of emulsion. Hair cream, emulsion. Then aerosol. But aerosol mein we can say fog, or we can say mist, or the cloud is also we can say the example beta here, right? Aerosol mein fog. Why it is fog is aerosol here, and why smoke? Because here solid in gas is aerosol. Here beta liquid in a gas. So liquid in a gas nothing but the what? Fog we can say beta cloud also. Mist, cloud is an example of aerosol where the liquid present in a gas. Beta last solid, we can say solid sol is there one example, and last mein beta another one is foam is there. Pumice stone. It is given in our textbook beta. In Telugu Academy textbook you can check it beta. It is given as a pumice stone, or we can say foam rubber. But better to write beta pumice stone is the best example for the solid sol, means gas in the solid. Another one, gas in the liquid called as a foam, and beta foam ke liye we can say soap lather is the best example. Soap lather, do you know? When we are washing our hand with the soap, the lather will come. That is nothing but a foam called as a foam lather. Is a soap lather is a here. We can say froth. It is there in metallurgy beta. F-R-O-T-H. Froth is other examples for the gas in liquid called as a foam. So these all the point beta, disperse phase, dispersion medium, type of the colloid, and their examples if you write, we are able to score beta 4 marks. But this is also a most important question beta. In important question list it was given. What is that? How are the colloid can be classified on the basis of physical state of the component, right? Please take a screenshot of this one also. Right beta? This is another SAQ we completed from our surface chemistry, and one more is given beta that I remembered after this one. One is a Tyndall effect is given and Brownian movement is also given. So that is another question for 4 marks we will do in our next video, right? Thank you beta, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.